There's the old post office. Now we're at the easternmost end of Alder Lake. So we got a good shot of it right here. So we're in Dalby, and I gotta slow down here because the man will get me and he'll have his way with me, ticket wise. There's the train sets. There's Scaleburger right there. They're closed this time of year, but great place. Well, it says open, but oh well. Pretty cool little town. There's the old train and the old church. MT Rainier National Park. That's where we're headed. Well, folks, got a little treat for you. I've gone all the way through Ashford, and snow's starting to stick to the ground here. I decided, why not just take you guys up into MT Rainier National Forest. The ranger just looked at me kind of odd. What the hell's this guy doing on a motorcycle and this stuff? So here we go. It's beautiful up here. And did I say cold? It's cold. Beautiful ride this is. Tahoma Creek. Boy, my fingertips, I quit. They were painfully cold about 15 miles back. I can't even feel them now. I should have wore heated gloves. Okay, folks, this is as far as I go. It's really coming down up here, and I got a lot of road behind me, and it's going to be bad coming out. I'm going to get back on the road because I'm freezing my ass off. Well, folks, we're heading back, and if things couldn't get a little worse, we got some ice pellets that came down. I had a hell of a time turning around back there and getting back up on the road. Woo! It sure is beautiful, though. This kind of driving conditions is riding conditions is where the Goldwing really shines. It's got a low center of gravity. Just keep it pointed straight. Man, my hands are cold. So we're up in MT Rainier National Park. We didn't make it all the way up to Longmire. The roads are just too bad to go any farther. Look at these roads. This is something else. Ooh, it's slick. I'm an all year round rider, you know. I just love riding, and this doesn't bother me too much. Oh, there's the sun poking out. I need some sun. Well, folks, I thought I was going to have smooth sailing on the way home, but Looks like the windstorm has caught up with this ride, and it is snowing and blowing right now, and I'm getting some pretty good gusts of winds hitting me. I'm passing all these houses that have these wood stoves that are just making their homes nice and toasty warm, and I'm freezing my ass off here. Oh man, Jesus. Well, it was beautiful up there on the mountain, and this ain't beautiful anymore. This is ugly. Holy shit, look at this stuff. Oh. Whoa. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's cold. Oh shit. Christ, we got an ice storm now. This is like little balls of ice, and they hurt. Every now and then I get one that pops into my helmet and it stings. It's cold. Oh, this is something else. Oh, Jesus. Hey folks, we just got out of Stewart's, and got a lot of good stuff in here. Famous jerky. And we got a bunch of the pep here. Well, folks, just left Stewart's Meats. We got some fine cuts of meat back in the back here of the Goldwing. Got some their famous jerky and some their pepperoni, but I could pick up anyway, and I'm going to go ahead and head back home. You can see the storm is past, and outside of being windy, you got some sun, so that's a good thing. Then we'll end this video.